Hello and welcome back. We're on video. I don't know actually, let me see. We're on video 109 actually. Damn. So we're gonna do a complete SR redraw today. Unless the pair looks incredibly nice, then I won't do it. Beyond that, let's get to it. General rule of thumb when you're doing SR redraw. Fuck is this? It always fucking happens. There we go. General rule of thumb. You don't have to do it, but start at the top or at the bottom, and then do the in betweens. Yeah. And this one has gotten. You can obviously see there's a level here, right? But are these significant levels? Are these, because this is a range on a smaller time frame. See that? Those congestions are always ranges, but we don't draw or trade based on those ranges. You can't make an entry here and exit here. There's no setup that would fit within my strat framework. So can I really draw here? Like, is there a point to it? No. Oh, this has been congested a lot, I can see. Let's see if we can do something about that. For drawings. If you wonder how much time you should be looking at when you're SR redrawing, I would say that as long as you're looking anything between 3 to 6 months, you're good. Like this, you're all fine at that point. See, these higher ranges make it very difficult. This looks more natural. But it has been ranging out in and out of that range as well. So zooming out a little bit, give me more info there. We're not going to be running level ones. We're going to be having some beefy shit right here. Yeah, that looks a lot better immediately. Can't have it all down here, but it is a deviance. Now it looks more like a nice range, so I'm going to keep it exactly like that. What the fuck? You don't need to start at the bottom if the bottom is unrealistically low. Just draw for it at that point then. If you don't know how to make it lock sideways, just hold shift, bro. I saw someone ask about it, but I don't remember who. Yeah, you can, but do we go back when redrawing like that? No. That looks a lot cleaner, stronger SR areas, more tradable. This is more something to take into consideration than drawing. Did I skip up here? Nope. Yeah, I don't think this one needs anything. No, this one's actually completely fine. There's not really much to do with it. Just see how it goes. Oh, fucking. And remember, always just draw on the one day. Don't hop up on some weird 2-day or 3-day, and don't go down 12 hour, nothing like that. We draw on the one day. This looks nice. Pretty much, yeah. What the fuck is it? Oh. But it has been congesting on it pretty much like here, so yeah. It doesn't have to look tradable for it to be correct, because not every pair is tradable. That's just the way of the market. We go through every single pair, right? Or not always all of them, but most of my pairs, almost always, when the market is open and we don't necessarily make that many entries percentage wise. So don't worry about that if it just looks untradeable. See, this one is looking difficult. What do I mean by that is these levels have been completely broken, smashed, useless. You're better off drawing something down here, and then you got a range for it. You got something to watch out for, but not some steadfast SR levels. Oh, this is the ATH motherfucker. I don't know what to do with this one. It's a nice range, but it's not a stable range. No. Not much to do with it. And also, it's not like we have a lack of weekly setups. Actually, we have almost too many, I would say. So here we have two touches there at the top. Is that an all-time high or what the fuck? What is it? Is it uneven? But I can't see it because it's so close to being even. Anyways, yeah, we don't have a lot to draw on here either. Pretty clean. Gotta say that though, but we haven't been trading these pairs a lot in general. The ones we are in right now have been on rotation a lot, and they've been feeding great. Me being up 7.9% this month, and I mean hitting 10% and actually going beyond target in October, in September. I mean for 4 months now. Yeah, this looks like a piece of fucking shit. What the fuck? It's like gapping. Okay, that's nice. Oh, it's at an all-time high. I give up on this one. Never try to force draw, because there is no such thing as missing a setup or there not being setups. There's no such thing. It doesn't exist. So there's obviously a level here as well, which makes the whole pair untradeable at this point. But the levels look completely fine though. What is this based on? Some old shit, yeah. Only potential I could see is a breakout here though. That'll be interesting. Or a downward continuation. Clean. Very nice and clean. Yeah. Actually, we don't need the higher top for it right now. That looks fine. That looks nice. Same here. Stable levels. Oh. When you got these SR areas up all the way here, and then you got one all the way down there, you can see that you really need to redraw because that has moved a lot. It means that this was something I considered a potential level it might go to for the week when I was drawing, right? So that means it has moved quite a lot since last redraw. We've probably skipped it a few times, hopped it, saying it looks fine, but SR areas don't last forever. The gapping, you don't never redraw on a gap like this. Yeah, there's a lot of volume in there here. So you got a candlestick hit on it, congestion, lots of wicks, candle wick. That's all I think we need for right now. We can't put a lower level here where it might bottom out later. That looks a lot cleaner to me. Let's keep going down. Yeah, this is the one that keeps going downtrend. Or keeps downtrending, sorry. These levels are nice though. It's obviously something here. I remember information is always king. Newer info. So we're looking at something like this now. We don't need to redraw, just an adjustment. This double hit here, coinciding with this, is much more important than anything you could get out of these two here, because they're older. They've been broken. Yeah. Keep that in mind. Let me close Steam so I don't get spammed. Is this ATL? No. Levels look fine. Not much to draw on it. Not with this one either, if it's some ATL shit. Yeah, that's super ATL. When they're super ATL like that, you just gotta follow down with them. And sometimes you gotta make SRAS based off of one bump, like here, but it's not strong enough. You need a really strong reaction for it to be valid. We do it a lot on commodities, because like I said many times, they do function a lot like gold. No, like stocks. Yeah, this is the nice, super nice range that's being fucked by the fucking 200 MA. If not, that would have been such a nice range to trade. Fuck. But this functions just like an SR area. Oh, fuck all this. So let's redraw. Start at the top right here. There we go. With the support. And let's get a level at the bottom. Is this a touch? Yeah, it is. Well, these probably all are. No, not all of them. One of them. So yeah, there we go. That looks a lot nicer. Yeah. Does not look very tradable though. We have some gapping here as well. I don't like pierce that gap in general. This looks fine. Yeah, So with areas like these, it hits it and the whole fucking trend just changes. You can't put a level on one hit. There's going to be volume in that. Think of it as volume placements. And when there's that strong of a reaction to it, like, what the fuck? It goes from my highest level to my lowest one in one hit. That's a lot of volume. And we need a new level for which this was yeah, this was a breakout trade. Yeah. Let's see over here. This one needs adjustment. Like that. It broke through here. Now we just need more time for this range to switch up before we can redraw on it. Same here, essentially. What the fuck is this? Oh, it's like the only low thing we got, yeah. Yeah. Actually looks tradable. No, it doesn't when I zoom in on it. The indecision candle is way too long, the wick. You won't be able to get it set up. We had this one as a potential as well, and I remember now. See, you won't get a proper R if you draw on it. You see that? 1.3. It's not something you want to enter. You might think, oh, can I hop on the 12 hour then and then enter that indecision candle? Oh, it's already been triggered. Give me a range. Yeah, you can, technically. But I'm not gonna do setups now. See what I just did there? Lesson for you. Let me open my fucking Discord, yeah. Beginner guide. Not this shit. Can I walk away right now? Did I just walk away? Yes, I did. Because there's so many setups. There's infinite setups. There always has been setups. There always will be setups. You don't need to fucking get every fucking setup or try to get every setup. These are way too strong. So let's start at the bottom. Right here, I see double touch. And at the top, that's with the wick, right? Yeah. Honestly, that's all. I prefer the cleaner charts. This is a level, but not really. Because we can't draw on a candle's body and its stick. Again, the same thing. Let's look at the ruble. This looks fine. It's ranging on a small ass time frame. If I was to hop down on like the fucking 3 minute, no, not the 3 minute, maybe like the 1 hour, you'll see that it's ranging quite a lot. Yeah. I don't trade this though. These low ass frames. This one looks really good actually. And this one as well. There we go. We have redrawn almost everything. We got to redraw our setups as well. Looks fine. Yeah, motherfucker, yeah. Silver looks something like that. And this one looks Go ahead. Here's another 12 hour for you. There we got a potential that might be. We're going to release those potentials because this is a lower spread pair that is giving equal setups. Let me just review it once again. The range is steadier here though. I take it back. Let's have a look at this one while we're at it. You realistically have to make sure you don't get crashed out. Has been broken too hard though. You'd have to go. Yeah, this is trash. I'm gonna remove it from my potentials. Now that we're at it, we can clean up this stuff too. Some potentials. This is the one I said I didn't like. It was an 8-hour entry. I don't know if someone entered it or not. Someone might be in it. So I'll keep this one open. The levels look alright. Yeah, looks pretty clean. And this one. What the fuck is this? No. So let's have a look. No. If you gotta stop order on this one, leave it out for now. I'm dropping this from the setups as well. This isn't. This looks more like a volume murder. It's interesting though, and the levels SR areas seem clean. Nice range. Nice touches to the range. We don't need to draw more in it for now, so we got one open. There we go. We got the full redraw, and we're ready for next week. If you got any questions, you can leave a comment on YouTube. I always answer comments. And if you got anything else you want to ask, you can also hop in the Disc. The Discord will always be linked in the description. So feel free to hop in there. It's a nice little disc we got. I got some beginner guides in there. Little investing guide as well. Some cheat sheets like I showed you here. Can't walk away right now. And some terminology sheets, some beginner stuff, some Somali flag putting guy. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you. Bye bye.